Here is my my idea of sound location. Very simple, instantaneous, works every time, and it's only 12 lines of code. Very simple code, and it's instantaneous depending on how you set these up. This would be the head of your robot, but you need to put it on a bed like this so you can turn without the thing moving all the time. If you don't do it like this, you'll never catch up with it while it's on the head. So you need to do it like this and then transfer these to your robot head, and it works every time. You can talk to it this side, hello, and you can talk to it on this side, and it'll catch every time. It never misses a beat. I hope you like it. As to the tuning of these, what I'll show you here is it responds to how, if you set this, wind it straight in clockwise, then it doesn't receive anything. You gently open it up by anti-clockwise until it responds. And it's the same with the other one. You just need to set these just right, that it's just clicking. Put your cushions on, which keeps the sound outside from getting in. It just acts like the human ear. So you've got it here and you've got it here. Alright, now I'll put this delay, I'll put this delay back in so you'll know what it is for. Here is the 12 lines of code. You'll notice just here is a delay in the void loop, a delay and a head right. This is purely if you want the head to look straight forward at you until sound is received left or right. And how this works is interrupt. So you attach interrupt 0, which is pin 2, and attach interrupt 1, which is number 3 pin. And you have left ear, right ear, and you're using rising in every case. Right?